Tired of a clunky network and ready to take total control? Let's dive right in and get your UniFi controller up and running on Ubuntu 20.04. First, we'll start by making sure your Ubuntu system is up to date. That means running the update and upgrade commands. Next, since we're dealing with Java, we'll install the proper Java runtime environment. For UniFi, we'll choose the Open version and confirm it with a command. Now it's time to download the UniFi Network Controller software package. You'll download the version designed for Debian Ubuntu. Then we can install the downloaded package with a simple command. After the installation, we might need to start the UniFi Controller service. It's a good idea to enable it to ensure it runs automatically on startup. Let's make sure the service is running by checking its status. Once the service is confirmed as being active, you will need to access the controller through your web browser. In the browser's address bar, enter the address of your Ubuntu server followed by a specific port number. In your browser, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your UniFi network. It usually involves setting up your admin account and configuring various network features and settings, and then you're all set and it's ready to go.